Greetings. Welcome back to Jazz Bar, where the music is smooth and the drinks are set to be even smoother. Today we're serving up a classic with a kick, the Moscow Mule. It's another well-known classic. Take 3 to 4 ingredients to make and about 3 seconds to finish. So what we got here is vodka, lime juice, and your favorite ginger beer, and a sprig of mint. So into a mixing glass, add 2-ounce vodka, 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice, then you fill with ice. Give it a good stir, then put 3 to 4 mint leaves and pour it into a cup or mug, because that's how it was made the first time I had one. Then top it off with about, I'll say 4 ounces of cold spicy ginger beer. Garnish with the lime wheel and a sprig of mint, because first impressions really do count. All right, quick history lesson time. What, when, where, who, and why. The Moscow Mule was born in the 1940s at the Cock and Bull pub in Hollywood. Legend has it a bartender, a vodka salesman, and a ginger beer supplier walked into a bar, literally, and came up with this refreshing mix to move more vodka and ginger beer. The cup of mug, that was just smart marketing, and now it's become part of the drink's signature style. So why does this drink work, man? The vodka lays the foundation, the lime brings the tang, and the ginger beer, that just makes this drink unforgettable. A true classic that's as refreshing on a summer afternoon as it is at midnight with good company. And there you have it, the Moscow Mule. If you're feeling this vibe, I'll only ask you for one favor, man. Hit that subscribe button for more cocktails, mocktails, tips, and good times. Until next time, keep it chill, keep it smooth, and keep shaking. Cheers, y'all.